Hi friends, this video shows how to wash clothes in quick wash mode in Samsung washing machine. Let me open detergent tray. Here we can see three boxes: pre-wash, main wash and softener boxes. I am going to put detergent in pre-wash box, then close the detergent tray, then open the door and put the clothes. Then close the door, then press power on button, then select quick wash using control knob. I already selected it. It's a 15-minute quick wash mode. Then press the play button. So now it's starting. Now it's showing remaining time is 3 minutes. Now it's going to enter into spin mode. In spin mode it would rotate very fast and try to remove the water. Now it's showing remaining time is 1 minute. It would play music once it complete. After that we can open the door. Okay, done. Now we can take the clothes outside. So this way we can wash clothes in quick wash mode in Samsung washing machine.